Who has the rights to the proceeds from a wrongful death lawsuit?
Tennessee law provides that wrongful death recoveries are distributed to the decedent's family. Now, who's family and who's not family can get a little bit complicated, but let me give you the most common example. If the person who was killed as a result of the negligence of another leaves only a spouse, no children, that spouse gets 100% of the money. If the decedent leaves a spouse and one child, the surviving spouse and the child divide the money equally. If the decedent leaves a surviving spouse and two children, the money is divided 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. If the decedent leaves a surviving spouse and three children, the surviving spouse gets 1/3 and the other three children divide the 2/3 equally, and so on. The surviving spouse never gets less than 1/3. Now, it can get much more complicated than this if there's no surviving spouse, no children, if there are no parents that survive. There's all sorts of scenarios. At the law offices of John Day, we've been representing the families of wrongful death victims for over 30 years, and we would be happy to sit down and talk with you about your potential case. There's no charge for this service, and if we're able to help you, we will accept representation of you on a no recovery, no fee basis.